here's what we got, these 3 pints of drying the Italian seasoned tomato slices. So I just put them in these glass jars. After they were done drying, I took them out and I let them set until they were completely cool for a few hours before I put them in the jars. And I have not vacuum sealed these yet, okay? I just have them in the jars and sitting here on the counter so I can check them every day. So they've been sitting for a couple days, so I just look in the jar for any moisture, for any condensation before vacuum sealing them, okay? Now, and there hasn't been any. And you can just eat these like a tomato chip. Because they are dried, the tomato flavor is very strong, so like tomato pasty. I like them. They are really delicious. Something else that I like to do to them is I like to grind them up in my spice grinder, which turns them into a powder. And then I will take that Italian tomato, that's a very strong tomato flavor, powder, and I'll mix it into rice or, it'll be a seasoning powder as well. And it's really good that way. It took between 12 and 14 hours for these to be done in the oven on about 170 or 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, you can also dry these in a dehydrator. Just follow the instructions that came with your particular brand of dehydrator. I just wanted to insert a little clip here. This is, there, was still vacuum sealed. This is dried, pureed tomatoes. But you can powder these up and you can use these with a little bit of water to make your own tomato paste, tomato sauce, or just tomato powder for part of your seasoning mix.